times. Yo, that's wild. Hey, 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 hey. I don't really know if it's because it's 10:30 right now or the fact that Rolling Loud is in town. It could be anything, but I think there's more people out tonight than normal. Хорошо, спасибо. If you come out to Pattaya to party, you definitely gotta come here. This is the spot right here. Hello. Very nice. Oh, beautiful. Hey, they got a show going on today. Okay, thank you. I'll leave you out of it. I'll leave you out of it. You good. You good. Oh, my bad, brother. My bad. Hey, bro, nice t-shirt, bro. I like your t-shirt. Germany. High bar. Always a nice spot. They do not want you recording in there. You know, looking at this this walking street, it's very long, as you can see. The video's been going on for, you know, well over 8 minutes now, and yeah, it's, you know, Pattaya being a smaller city than Bangkok, I'm pretty surprised that the, you know, the walking street here is way bigger. And this is, again, only one of the walking streets. You have I think at least two, over on in Jumtin. But they're not as big, not nearly as big as this. Walking street police, out and ready to serve. Mickey D's. Hey, my guy. Russo Turisto. Nice little Russian spot. Let's see what gets copyrighted in here. Nasha di hati. Hello. How you doing? Wow, this place is nice. Thank you. Oh wow, bro, this place looks amazing, man. Shisha beer, yeah, whiskey. Okay.
Eat here, smoke here, and beer, no problem.
Oh, just chilling, listening to music. Oh man.
Upside
Yeah,
is
man.
club, nightclub.
Upstairs nightclub.
Nightclub.
Oh, okay. Oh wow. Man, this is nice. This atmosphere is beautiful. Oh wow. Oh, I'm going up the street. Yeah, but
Okay.
it'll definitely be on YouTube.
I remember.
Yes.
Okay.
Thank
Okay,
you.
no problem.
All right. Thank you. Have a good one. Wow. Some people just don't want to be on video, you feel me? Really got quiet over here. Right at Bistro Cafe. Yeah, the traffic just immediately cut off. Got Biblos up here. Yeah, so I don't know if I said it in the previous video, but Biblos is gonna be a Lebanese restaurant. Currently, they're still building up to the Lebanese food, but right now they only serve pizza. But they got a nice little pool over there that you can check out, but you can only jump in if you order some food and drinks. Oh yeah, I think we just crushed Walking Street. All the way down. Let's see what's going on back here. Looks like we got a little food market set up. Oh yeah. Hello. Hello. Only had crocodile one time, and it was alright. How y'all doing? That is the entire walking street. But on this side, as you can see, there's definitely less traffic, so you don't even really care about the sign, right? It's only on the other side. But again, that's only one part of it, right? That's just the walking street. That's Loud. You saw Sully 6. And yeah, Sully 6 is crazy. But you got plenty of nightlife options, but you also have the quiet life too. Like the area that I'm staying in is really quiet, so you don't hear a lot, but it's a quiet area and it's still close. I've been walking around this entire city, so at least central Pattaya. And yeah, very easy to go from quiet to loud, loud to quiet. You got everything. Hell, it's quiet over here. So yeah, that's it for this one. Walking streets lit, and thank you guys for watching. I'll check you in the next video. Peace, love, and happiness. Yeah, so I guess Wiz Khalifa's gonna be performing at Biblos. 2 nights. And the tickets were about 2,000. He said 2,000, like 2,000, 3,000. Hey, that ain't bad at all. Yeah, so I guess Wiz Khalifa's gonna be performing at Biblos. 2 nights. And the tickets were about 2,000. He said 2,000, like 2,000, 3,000. Hey, that ain't bad at all.